Yo, what's good everybody? It's Johnny. We back with another video. Today, I want to talk about how to deal with losses in trading. Dealing with losses can be a very hard thing. It can make you do dumb things when you lose, and it can definitely flip the switch with your trading. A lot of people can't lose in trading, and it's actually crazy because it doesn't even make sense. Like, you're a bad loser, and that's why you lose money. So what I'm going to talk about today is how to be a good loser, how to actually learn from your losses, and what you should do when you lose and how you should act. I feel like a lot of people don't actually know how to lose, and that doesn't make sense to a lot of people, but realistically, you have to realize that losing is going to happen with trading. It's going to happen. Let's actually talk real quick. Yesterday, it's Friday right now, yesterday I made $3,000 trading stocks. I put it on the screen right here. You can see the date and everything. I made $3,000 trading, but the week before that, I got absolutely cooked. I've been having a bad, not a bad month really. I didn't lose a lot of money, but my entries haven't been that well, and I've just been struggling a little bit. And as a lot of people actually won't tell you that. I want to talk about that first. A lot of traders, a lot of influencers, they won't show you all of their losses, and they won't tell you how they actually feel. And that's why I thought it was like, yo, I'm going to make my job to come on here, be super transparent, and tell the real about trading so people can actually relate with me, right? Because sometimes, bro, when you see these big-ass traders, you can't relate when they're just like, oh, I made 10K today, made 30K today, made 5K today, and then they'll be like, oh, I lost 500. But they don't really tell you how they feel when they lose, right? So me, I haven't really had the best month of March. It's April right now. I'm doing pretty well so far. But March wasn't the best month. I just wasn't really making a lot of money. I didn't lose a lot of money at all, but I didn't make a shit ton. And how I was feeling a little bit unconfident, right? But when you're unconfident, you won't take setups that are actually good because you realize the only thing that you're thinking of is, damn, well, I lost yesterday. Is today going to be another losing day? And it's like, bro, you cannot go into the day with that mindset. If you go into each day with thinking of what happened yesterday, you're only going to hurt your own trading and your own mind. So what you need to focus on is becoming a brand new person every morning at 9:30. Every single morning, go onto the markets, brand new, right? We're not sitting there trying to freaking think that we're, oh shit, like, I lost yesterday, bro. Like, I feel like I'm going to lose again today. Bro, can't come in there with that mindset, man. It's only going to hurt you in your trading, I can promise you. So make sure you have to be confident every single day. You cannot worry about the loss that happened last week or what your P&L looks like last week. You worry about today and how you're going to be the best trader today. Does that make sense? So that's first off our checklist. That's one thing I wanted to talk about. The second thing I wanted to talk about, when losing, you have to accept that you're actually like losing on this day, right? Like, let's say today you took a trade, you're down $500, but you're still into the trade. A lot of people don't accept their losses, bruh. They sit there and they just hope for it to reverse back into their direction. They're sitting there like, bro, no, it's gonna go into my way. It's gonna go into my way. And like, bro, what is that? You're just gambling, you're hoping, and you're just betting at that point. That's not actually trading. You're just hoping and dreaming for it to go into your way. You need to have a set plan, you have to have an edge over the market, and you have to have good risk management. Understand that, bro, the best people in trading lose. I lose, bro, and I'm not even the best, but I'm just saying, like, I'm a profitable trader and I lose. But the difference is, let's give an example. My loss like 3 days ago was $800. My win yesterday was $3K. Do the math on that, bro. So when your winners actually win, bro, you're gonna make a lot of money. That's one thing that I also want to talk about. Make sure your winners are winning, because when you have a losing day, bro, it's chill. If you're wrong, accept that you're wrong. Go into it, study it, and that's all. What else are you gonna do? You're gonna try to overtrade and fucking trade 17 more times and make your bread back so you can pass your funded account, bro? It's like, come on, chat, you bugging. Yeah, how many times are you gonna reset yourself and like set yourself back? Because you keep making the same mistake over and over and over again, bruh. You across from the screen, you overtrade, you're impatient, you just try to revenge trade to make money, bro. Realize, you're not going to make money quick. You need to be the best loser you can be. I promise you, it's not about like, oh, like I need to win and win and win. No, it's about how are you going to lose, right? Are you going to lose super big? Are you going to lose small and learn from it and accept the loss? Or are you going to lose, get motivated, You're going to get negative. You're going to probably overtrade because you're going to be emotional. Then you're going to revenge trade if you lose that. And then you're going to end up blowing yourself up, blowing the account. And it's just like a repetitive process over and over again. It's literally you fighting yourself. It's like you're fighting demons with trading, bro. It's fucking cooked. It's like, damn, I just keep doing the same fucking thing over and over and over again. When am I going to actually be able to stick to my rules? And guess what? He, her, him, Trump, Biden, fucking anybody, nobody has anything to fucking do with your trading but you. So don't blame it on price action. Don't blame it on your 9-to-5 job or your college or your parents not believing in you. Bro, it's you. You're going against your rules. You're hurting your own trading at the end of the day. Do you understand how, like, bad that is, bro? You're cooking yourself. Shit's crazy. Even Zeke's saying it, bro. Look at him. Zeke, they can't stick to their plan. They're cooked. Nah, I'm just kidding, but I'm not kidding, yo. It, like, actually, like, gets me tight because that used to be me. I used to never stick to my plan. I used to just make the same mistakes over and over and over again. And I promise you guys, if you actually want to win in trading, you're going to have to learn how to be the best loser. So make sure when you're losing, you're keeping your losses very small. Remember, risk to reward is everything. Make sure that when you're targeting, let's say a 3R, what that means is you're risking 1R to make 3. You're risking $1 to make 3. That's positive, right? You don't really want to risk 1 to make 1. You have to have a really good win rate if you want to make a lot of money. So you want to target a decent amount when you're trading. You want to target a good R, right? So when I'm trading either a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. And I let my runners run. So if it hits 50, 60, 70, even a couple 100%, my winners are going to win and my runners run. That's what a lot of people don't do. They just take a trade, they're up like 20% or however it may be on your funded account. Like, you'll be up a decent amount, like a 1R. You'll take all your profit, you'll be like, all right, nice, W trade. That's not a W trade, bro, because when you lose, you're going to lose the same exact amount. So make sure that you are trimming your position and leaving runners for your position to actually make you more money. That's where a lot of people go wrong at. And that's why I think a lot of people get mad at their losses, because when they lose, they realize, like, bro, they're just going break even. Like me, let's say if I made 3K yesterday, and I didn't trade today. It's a Friday right now. I didn't trade today because of NFP, pal speaking. I just was hands off. But let's say I traded today and I lost 500. Bro, I don't give a fuck. I just made 3K yesterday. So you see, like, bro, it's all about emotions and how you feel. But if I would have made 400 yesterday and lost 500 today, I would be on tilt a little bit because I'd be down $100 on the week, and it would be like, like, maybe I can make more. But realistically, since I made 3K, if I lost 500 today, I'd still be up fucking 2.5K. I'd be perfectly fine with that, and you're not going to be emotional. Does that make sense? So make sure you're letting your winners win, and you're cutting your losers short. You're having that. You don't want to keep your stop loss too short, but you don't want to have your stop loss fucking like a big-ass BBC, bro, because then you're... That was hella gay. I don't know why I said that. But you don't want to have your stop loss that big because you're going to end up losing as much as you would usually make. So you want to make sure that you're targeting a positive R and you're letting your winners win. Remember to be the best loser. Learn how to lose. I'm going to end this video here because my camera is on 1. I love all of you guys. Learn how to lose. Learn how to lose. Be okay with losing. Bro, I'm dead ass. I'm not even like, bro, you have to realize losing is okay. I'm sorry for yapping your ear off, but I genuinely want you across from the screen to just lock in. Be okay with losing. If you lose one day, be productive. Go to the gym after. Go cook a fire meal. Go hang out with your family. Go do some push-ups. Go fucking play basketball, pickleball. Go be productive. Live your life. You can't live life on a fucking screen just trading, looking at the candlesticks going up and down. You're going to have analysis paralysis. What that means is you're going to get overstimulated by how much movements are happening. You feel like you're going to miss out on opportunities. You feel like so much stuff's happening when realistically you're overstimulating yourself and you're only hurting your mindset. So make sure 1 to 2 trades a day. You get on for the first hour or 2 of the market. You get off, bang, you're done. Simple as that. I love you guys. Be the best loser you can be. You will be profitable in 2025. Write it fucking down every single day and make this shit happen. Let's go.